Hello friends, I am Kruti and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is again going to be related to productivity. I love talking about being productive, being organized in your personal life, in your work life and everywhere else. So without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So today we are going to talk about a few steps through which you can make a better and effective to-do list. The first step is to make a master to-do list, or I would say a master data sheet, where you can list down all the tasks that you want to do. Maybe it can be weekly tasks, like set a weekly goal or a monthly goal. Just prepare a master data sheet. So now I'll show you how exactly I prepare my master to-do list. So I like to prepare a to-do list on weekly basis. So this is my weekly to-do list master sheet. So for this I'll just divide my page into two parts like this. And on the one side I'm just going to list down all the professional tasks that I want to achieve, the tasks related to my work. And on the other side, I'm going to write all the personal tasks that I want to achieve. So here are my list of some important tasks that I want to achieve by the end of this week. This will give me a proper and good overview of the entire week and what are the goals that I want to achieve. So the next step here is to sort or prioritize your data based on its urgency and its importance. So of course the most urgent and important task will come first. So this is how I prioritize my data. So for this I'm going to divide my page into 4 equal parts. And this model basically is suggested by Dwight Eisenhower. If you want me to make a separate video on explaining how exactly to use this matrix, do let me know in the comment section. So basically I am just listing down my to-dos on the basis of its importance and urgency, so that I can decide on everyday basis that which tasks are supposed to be done first. And it really makes everything very easier. So obviously the most important and urgent task has to be done first. So this will give me a very good overview of all the tasks. It is kind of sorting the tasks based on priorities and its urgency. So the next is of course making your daily to-do list. So here the point is to make your to-do list in 3-2-2 form. So this is very simple 3-2-2 model. So first of all you will list down 3 major tasks of the day. Okay, then you will list down 2 moderate tasks, and last you will list down 2 minor tasks. So depending on the time slots that you have or that you have given to your tasks, you can choose which task to be done first. I always prefer to complete my major tasks first, because we are very fresh in the morning. Next is very important point: keep your to-do list visible all the time. So this is how I keep my to-do list visible all the time. And last but definitely not the least, act on it. Stop procrastinating and act on the list that you have made. Just start with the first task in your list, and as soon as that task is done, just cross it out, and it will make you feel much more motivated and happy. So that's all for today's video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.